You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this verb? I know this is a very confusing but very interesting one. It sounds like it should be like soldier, right? Or soldier, with a j sound. But no, in this case, at least in British English, it's said with a D sound, okay? Soldier. Soldier is how you say it, soldier. Now in American English, that's where it gets a bit confusing. It is said as solder. Yeah, I know. Saw, the L is silent, and then der. Solder, American English, or solder in British English. Now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.